Let me take my sponge and wipe out this thing. These sci-fi sponges. Hey! It's fresh meat, huh? Oh, hi, Sarah. You think I'm scared of you? You should be. Sorry. Sorry, they've been serving us beans in the cafeteria.
Oh,
no. Anyway, what are you doing cleaning the toilet? I'm on latrine duty today, so bye. Excuse me, I'm not gonna bye. It's my time to give myself one of those blowouts. So I'm gonna plug in my hair dryer and start it. Sorry, that's my vibrator. I don't know why they even make them plugged in. It's fine. Now I'm gonna take that out. Here's my hair dryer. There we go. Well, as long as you don't own this part of the prison, I'm going to use my electric toothbrush to make my teeth all nice and shiny. The batteries are dying. I'm sorry, let's stop. What do you mean I don't own this part of the prison? I mean that the prison is paid for with tax dollars, and before I was in prison, I paid my taxes, so it is ours. Okay, you keep talking about bureaucracy, and I'm going to fall asleep and listen to me snore. You see, I have a deviant obsession. I'm kind of good at it. Yeah, that doesn't sound healthy. You know what else doesn't sound healthy? Me pulling out my shank and shanking. Just kidding, full of imagination. Yeah. I didn't know Tinkerbell was caring for your shank. Oh, you should know. Tinkerbell controls everything. Listen when I throw my magical fairy dust. Can't do enough of that. I can do it twice. Hold on, that's so good. One more time.
Sparkles.
You see the sparkles? Well, Sarah, I think I'm just going to sweep all that up now that you've sullied the bathroom I'm supposed to be cleaning. I got it from the same place I got. I'm sorry, he's a predator. I'm so scared that something's going to come and attack me. I think I see something. Oh! The broom switched! It's just Clucky the janitor. Clucky, stop looking at us, you're so gross! Like I said, please tell me one thing Clucky doesn't like. He hates it when women sing. Why don't you sing him that song? Make it go away. Clucky!
I love it when you sing to me.
Stop. You're giving Clucky so many more messages. I'm sorry, hold on, get back. Clucky, what did you just say? That means he likes you.